I chose ACI Tech Academy for the Computer User Support Specialist program. At my last career, I had the opportunity to earn a bachelor's degree, and I chose computer software technology. At the end of the project that I was working at, I got let go, and I felt that going to ACI would help me bridge the gap, getting into a new career with these certifications, such as CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. I believe that these, paired with my bachelor's degree, will help me find a new career in IT or cybersecurity. I took the 11-week Computer User Support Specialist program here in Colorado Springs, and I felt that I got a lot of great information out of the program for the ITIL, CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. And then I also felt the career week was very, very beneficial. Both that week and having a career mentor available were very, very helpful in me getting ready for a new career in IT. My current IT role is about to start next month. I recently signed an offer letter for my first IT job as a help desk specialist. So I'm looking forward to it. I have a lot of relief actually landing that first position in IT. I got a lot of great help with my career mentor and career week at ACI, learning how to write resumes, network, use LinkedIn, and interview. And I think that played a great role in helping me find my first IT position. If I could say one thing to the staff at ACI Tech Academy, it would be thank you for giving me the tools and the confidence to start a new career in IT. Knowledge is something that you can gain in a classroom, but the encouragement and support I received from my career mentor was truly invaluable. My name is Adam Svatek, and I'm an ACI graduate.